The 47, that'll be Jack Sarton out of Terrell. Second row on the inside will be the 70. That'll be Michael Rhodes out of Paris, Texas. Outside, second row will be the 98. That'll be Troy Tyndall out of Sunnyvale. Third row on the inside will be the 12. That'll be Johnny Philpott Jr. out of Mesquite, Texas, running second in points coming into tonight's weekly championship racing series. Outside, third row will be the 1H. That'll be Bradley Bracey out of Maybank. The 1 star of Mark Johansson out of Maybank will start on the back. He was scheduled to start on the pole position. And the 1J will be Peyton Johansson. Straightaway wall right here, literally right in the opening. That is the finish line, by the way, folks. That opening in the wall is the finish line, not the flag stand. That opening in the wall is the finish line.
Actually, the finish line is there, but the transponder line is just to the left side of that opening. We run them underneath. You see a little green cap here. If you, well, you probably can't see it, but runs across the track. That's where the transponder line. That's where the lines are that sets them off. Transponders are what they have on these cars to keep track of where they're at and the speeds they go and all that kind of stuff. So if you see one that comes across the line and doesn't show up on the scoreboard, it's because its transponder is malfunctioning, and when that happens, it messes up everything as far as the scoreboard goes. And that's when we're happy we got Lisa up here keeping track of it when the transponders don't work.
Blaine's Motor Supply scoreboard, that down there at the end of turn number 1, shows the number 47, Jack Sarton out in front. Casey Fowler in the 64 in second. Troy Tyndall in the 98 running in third. Here we go, lights out, looking for the green flag coming off turn number 4.
Happy to have that Blaine scoreboard, by the way. Happy to have them on this year.
Sarton wasting no time, trying to clear himself in the pack. About a 3-car length advantage coming off turn 2 down the back straightaway into 3. Casey Fowler continues to run in second. Troy Tyndall in the 98 runs in third. Fourth spot, that's Michael Rhodes in the number 7. Excuse me, fourth now, the number 12 running second in points here at Devil's Bowl. That's Johnny Philpott Jr. And rounding out the top 5 is the number 70 of Michael Rhodes. Fowler pushes up the racetrack, kind of opens the door for Tyndall. He pulls within a car length, and they come off turn number 4 down the front straightaway. Jack Sarton continues to lead. Casey Fowler in second. Troy Tyndall running in third. Distance fourth. The race for second as they come off turn number 4 down the front straightaway. Nothing doing, white flag out on White Horse Tuning and Dyno USRA Modified Heat Race number 1. Checkered flag this time. Jack Sargent going to win it in the number 47. Second spot's going to go to the 64. Casey Fowler. Third, the number 98. Troy Tyndall in fourth. The number 12 car of Johnny Philpott Jr. With a call of heat race number 2 for your White Horse Tuning and Dyno USRA Modifieds. Here's Smoking Joe Casper. Green flag. Well, 3 wide at the back for a second. But it's Tommy Davis Jr. in the 17 car out in front. Don Jensen out of Terrell runs in second. Kevin Haslip in the number 74 runs in third. All 3 of these cars feature winners here at Devil's Bowl Speedway. The top 3 have all visited Platinum Collision Victory Lane here at Devil's Bowl Speedway. Tommy Davis Jr. started on the point, keeps it on the point. Here comes Don Jensen down to the inside. He has been known to kind of put that bumper, kind of give you that little nudge to push you up the racetrack. And then 23 is Kevin Haslip, and the 74 now takes a peek to the outside of the 23 as they go into turn number 3, takes over that second spot. Here comes Rick Murray, started all the way on the back up to 4th, and that number 8. Now he looks to the outside, problems I think for Don Jensen and that number 23. Here comes the 6M, Jeff Jones. Yeah, there's problems for the 23. He's going to pull it off the racetrack this time.
The top 4 at this time. McKinley getting underneath the 37 of Meeks. Got a new leader coming down the front straightaway. The lead lap 1. It's a 71M of Tommy McKinley. Bubba Meeks in the 37 trying to hang on, but McKinley inching away from him. Then you got the 22J of Jerry Coward. Got a little push there on that 3rd position. That's going to give the 123 of Joe a chance to come up on him. Try and take that 3rd position away from him. There it is, Dustin Choate moving underneath the 22J of Jerry Coward to take over. That's 3rd position. Coward's holding, trying to keep him from getting around, but to no avail. Out of turn 4, looking at 2 laps to go. It's a 71M of Tommy McKinley. Then you got the 37 of Bubba Meeks, the 123 of Dustin Choate, the 22J of Jerry Coward, the 17T of Dustin Thomas, the 1 cent of Darby Shelby, and the 12 of Jeff Oster. White flag coming out. They'll have one more time to get around this racetrack. McKinley just got to hang on just one more lap to get that heat race win. Down the back straightaway, Meeks has got his foot on the floor. He was trying to catch it to no avail. Into turn 3, it's the 71M of Tommy McKinley all by himself. Coming out of turn 4, looking at that checkered flag, it's the 71M of Tommy McKinley. Second going to the 37 of Bubba Meeks. Third to the 123 of Dustin Choate. Fourth to the 22J of Jerry Coward. You got the 17T of Dustin Thomas, the 1 cent of Darby Shelby, and the 12 of Jeff Oster.